Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install this update, that is KB5061977. So when you go to Windows Update, when you click on check for update, it's not coming up. In that case, you can just use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5061977. And then click on search. Over here you can see Windows 11 version 2 for H2 for x64 based system. So this is the system. In my case, you can check what kind of system you have. You can go to Windows Update, go to system, and then scroll down, go to about. Over here you can see in my case it's x64. So this is the right one for me, Windows 11 version 2 for H2 for x64. Click on download, and you can download this KB5061977. Click on this blue hyperlink and let the download complete. Now you can click on this file, and here you can see preparing the installation, searching for update on these computers. And here you can see, do you want to install following updates software? Let's ignore this update. You can see the name of the update. Click on yes. This process may take some time. So over here you can see the updates are being installed, and here you can see it's installing. So once the installation is complete, here you can see installation complete. You must restart your computer for the update to take effect. So make sure that you click on restart now. Restart is a must after this. Now after the system restart, you can go to Windows Update, and then you can go to update history. And over here you can see the update is installed, that is KB5061977. So this is how you can install this update on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.